Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Knock. Today I am going to talk about one of the uh, fast growing application, which is Chat GPT. I think by now most of the people in India and across the world, they are aware of what is Chat GPT and how it is working. So even this is very interesting as we are all aware of the digital world right now is growing very fastly, right? Even in future, I think we will not surprise even if you're not using any physical cash, so we have to deal with all digital money. So in that case, this chat gpt is one of the fastest growing application, which will compete with many other current online application. And this open AI means artificial intelligence and data sciences are two of the major growing field in technology, right? So the technology is growing, that's why the work also getting simpler nowadays. So as we are all aware of that what is internet and digital world is currently doing, this chat gpt is playing a very important role in that. So I just wanted to tell about just chat gpt. And the chat gpt is very very helpful for any of the information from your uh, if you have a kids, from Montessori to higher education, any information which you want, which you can for example, if you want to write a story to your kids, or you have to tell your story one kids particular topic, you just write that I need a story for this, so it will write and give, then you can just tell that story to your kids. And as simple as it is, if you want to know about any the process, for example, I want to know how the process is happening to make a tea or juice or anything which you want, like any of the items, like for example the common man which you wanted to, it will write down the step 1 to 10 like that. Okay, it's a very very simple application. Also you can make use of this writing for even for technology, software engineers, schools, colleges, and even for higher educations, IAS officer, even IPS officer as well. So this is one of the biggest I found, it is making simpler to the human being, their work is simpler nowadays. And you can see that how simple it is, if you just have to write for example any codings, or if you want to write any article, for example if you want to write any article, you don't need to write nowadays. You just give that I need a I need to write one article about this, and it will complete article, it will return to you and it will give it to you. So I just uh, post this as the URL. If you can see this as the chat, https chat.openai.com/chat. So if you have a Google account, you can just go here and you will log in with the Google, and then you can write, I need a story to my kids on the planet. So it will write a story, right? uh, Whatever the topic which you want, it is writing a story for that. So as I am a business analyst, I need a flow diagram for project payments processing. So you can see that if you just type this, the flow diagram, like how the flow from 1 to 10 steps for to process the payments, how it will happen. You can see that it will write initiate the payment request, the project manager or vendor initiate a payment request, then approval process, then verify the payment, then release the funds and confirm the payment. These are all the reconciliation and then reporting. These are all the steps, main steps, even in global payments, like swift. One of the swift is Society for Worldwide Interbank Telecommunication, is the uh, you mostly used in all the across countries to transfer the funds between the currency in like different currencies. Even any, if you want a swift details, so you just write this, then it will give an information whatever you want. And you want to know any things, about the swift society for worldwide interbank financial technique is a global financial messaging network that enables financial institution. So likewise, it will be very helpful to your students and working professionals, or if you are a housewife, or if you're a businessman, or if you are doing even for a small business or big business, or if you are startups, you have any problems, you want to find out a solutions, or you need some information which you don't know, or you want to acquire some knowledge and enhance your skill set, you want to know about the coding and the pythons, any of the tools, like quality tools, which you wanted to know. And if you are in any of the working professional particular subject, if you want to know about that information, just write here and it will give an information, and that will enhance your skill set. So hopefully this will be helpful for you guys, and please make sure that make use of it. And I will give the URL of this chat GPT in my description. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my channel with your friends and support me. I'll be coming up with the new technology and to make it your work simpler and efficient way. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.